Yard inflatable obstacle course W/heavy duty blower 0.4 mm vinyl bouncing floor indoor-outdoor large bounce house slide climbing wall combo 6-in-1. Yard 6096 bounce house 6in1, measures 21.3 length, 9.2 width and 7.9 height, and has a capacity of 7 children, maximum 100 pounds each, 700 pounds total. Suitable for outdoor and indoor, ideal for almost anywhere in or around house, in backyard or living room, for a birthday party, Christmas party, family reunion, or for any occasion to keep the kids entertained as they bounce around in the moonwalk. Safety for kids. 6096 inflatable bouncer designed with safety features and comply with manufacturing laws. Stakes anchor the bouncer firmly in ground. Mesh net protect children. Your kids will bounce freely while you take comfort knowing they're well protected by safety netting. Yard bring happiness to every family. High quality and extra thick jumping sliding area. Yard 6096 jump house made of high quality material with highest standard to ensure the kids' safety. Durable sewing and extra thick jumping and sliding area is constructed from the highest quality materials to